Today's meditation focuses on a selection from the writings of Martha Smock, who, as you know, was the editor of Daily Word for 33 years. She wrote, one of the most helpful verses in the Bible is to be found in the 46th Psalm. Be still and know that I am God. Martha Smock writes that as you take the words, be still and know that I am God, to yourself, as you say them to your mind, to your emotions, to your thoughts, to your body, you will make way for God to enter into your consciousness. I invite you to repeat the 46th Psalm with me now. Together, be still and know that I am God. And now quietly repeat in your mind to your body, be still and know that I am God. The words of our meditation hymn say, open my eyes that I may see glimpses of truth thou hast for me. Place in my hands the wonderful key that shall unclasp and set me free. Silently now I wait for thee. Ready, my God, thy will to see. Open my eyes, illumine me, Spirit divine. To prepare yourself physically to silently wait for Spirit, you may choose to sit in your seat with your feet flat on the floor, back straight but not too tense. Imagine a string from your tailbone pulling all the way up your spine to the highest point of your head. If you choose, gently close your eyes. Begin to breathe slowly and deeply, breathing in through your nose and out through your mouth. Your mind should follow the pattern of your breath. If you notice your mind drifting off in your thoughts, simply bring your thoughts back to your breath. Be the observer of your thoughts, but don't engage in them. The goal here is to enter the gap, the space where you are aware of yourself and what's around you, but your mind is actually not thinking anything. This awareness is your consciousness. As you have made way for God to enter into your consciousness through focusing on His words, be still and know that I am God. Martha Smock writes, you will cease trying to tell God what you need. You will not try to tell Him what to do. Rather, you will be still. You will listen. You will give God a chance to express Himself through you, to come through you, to make His Spirit known to you, to open the way before you. Many times our greatest need is for stillness. We scatter our energy and our forces by talking about ourselves, about our problems. The true silence that is communion with God is more than just being still. The beginning has to be, though, the simple act of stopping all the outer talk, the outer striving and straining, the basic act of being still. To be still is the first step. And know that I am God. This is the second step. When we are still, when we know that there is only God, that His presence enfolds us, surrounds us, fills us with power, with life, with substance. When we know that we are one with Him, then we see there are really no problems. There is only God, and in Him is all that we can ever need or desire. What is your need? Is it healing? Is it guidance in making some decision? Is it supply? Is it a job? Is it freedom from confusion and inharmony in your environment? Your answer is with you now. Be still and know that I am God. I am life. I am health. I am wisdom. I am guidance. I am supply. I am fulfillment. I am peace. I am the perfection you seek. I am God. I am with you now. And we say, thank you, God, that it is so, as you gently bring the focus of your attention back to the present moment and prepare to listen to Marty's lesson.